As I start raising the collective, I'm looking at the manifold pressure and the tachometer, making sure they don't increase. We can see the tachometers want to increase, but that's why I'm raising the collective very slowly.
Yep.
Now I move my eyes outside. I'm looking at the,
the A124?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Just look at least 20 meters. Once I start to feel any movement, I'm going to correct it with my cyclic or pedals as necessary.
On the downwind approaching midfield. Affirmative. On the downwind approaching midfield.
You can feel me putting in a little bit of left pedal as I raise the collective. You're always going to. Looks like we're going to be drifting a little bit to the right. Fix that. A little bit of right yaw. Fix that. And now we're up. Hover power is like 23 inches, but I guarantee you that once we get into the wind, which we're going to do now, it'll change. Now look how much power you're using, 22 inches.
Yep.
Alright, we're going to just wait for everything to warm up a little bit. So I'm going to say, Palomar Tower, Helicopter 74810, Civic parking, request west end of taxiway Alpha. We have information from Papa.
Should we tell the Palomar ground?
We don't need to tell them. If it comes to it, we can though. Why didn't they say anything?
Crew Tech 103, I'll call base turn. No copy, Crew Tech 10.
Palomar Tower, Helicopter 74810, Civic parking, request west end of taxiway Alpha. We have information, Papa. Huh. Why isn't that working? I might have you might have to make all the radio calls today.
Tower approved, caution, Alpha not sight, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, west end Alpha approved, 810. There you go. Just gonna do this really fast.
Yep.
Don't do it this fast.
2-4, clear option.
Okay, 2-4, clear the option, Crew Tech 103.
2 McEwen, follow Cessna, clear option.
Honestly, I'm letting the wind push me.
The crew check in the run-up, are you 663, is that what's going on here?
663, crew check.
So, we have to turn around 180 degrees. Should we do a left pedal turn or right pedal turn?
Crew check 63 on 2-4, quick takeoff.
You got a left pedal turn?
Left pedal turn.
Check 663.
We should always do a left pedal turn if we have the option. Everything's good, no cars rolling lights, we have fuel.
Approved today.
And I'm going to face the wind.
Right turn, I'm about to have a jet depart right behind you.
Right turn, 35.
Watching my tail, make sure it's clear.
Yep.
We don't even need to get very high. We could actually probably start letting out now. So, when we do anything at west end of taxiway Alpha, we just want to make sure that we don't overfly any aircraft.
Okay.
So you can see this parking lot right here. I don't mind overflying cars.
Negative, sir. We're still feet wet now. Be entering a right downward 25 here in about.
So I'm doing an approach. So I have to do it like it's kind of an advanced approach because I have to like make a really hard right, so I don't overfly the hangars. And then I have to make a really hard left.
Okay. Coming to Palomar.
Okay, make right drive for 2466 Charlie Echo, did you call?
Yep, that was 66 Charlie Echo.
And now I'm on my normal approaching.
Okay, you can enter right face runway 24.
Right face for 246 Charlie Echo.
So notice how I'm using, I have the same attitude, but I'm decelling the whole way. I'm getting slower and slower. This is how fast the ground should feel for a normal approach.
Hey, from protector.
Okay.
Okay, just squawk via Paul. I'm going to get you in the code here in a second before I hand you out.
Once you get a little lower, we're going to lose EGL.
Yep.
So at that point, I'm just going to have to do a gentle push forward on the cyclic. Watch what happens when I don't push forward on the cyclic. Watch what happens to the nose.
Okay.
Just give it a second. So we're about to lose ETL.
Yes.
see the trim strings becoming limp? Watch the nose.
53, squawk 0.
See how high it went?
Squawk 0, 2.
See the nose go up like that?
Uh-huh.
I didn't do that with the cyclic. That's just ETL.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna do some hover work. You have the collective and pedals.
I have collective and pedals.
Alright. You see that there's this rectangle over here?
Cirrus
Yes.
6 Alpha Kilo.
So let's stay a little higher.
Another Cirrus is on a
Yeah,
full
here's
mile
good.
right base.
So there's like a rectangle.
Yeah.
Square. We're gonna hover. I'm gonna hover taxi around the square.
Yeah.
Always keep the skids in line, like face the direction that we're going.
Okay.
So we need to get a little higher. Good. And then I'm gonna come to a stop.
If you could start that turn up the shoreline now, that would be good. Contact
Left
us
pedal
now,
turn.
departure. Good day.
Left pedal turn.
On up north, contacting SoCal, crew check 663.
Good. Now we're gonna go this way. Don't let us descend. We're already low enough as it is.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna come to a stop. Another left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
Now I got a tailwind, so we need a lot of power, right?
Good.
Yeah.
See how much more you're having to do with the pedals with the tailwind? It's a lot harder, right?
Yeah. So,
And then wait till we get a left crosswind. Alright,
okay, another left turn.
another left turn.
6 Charlie Echo, traffic with our prior arrival. The citation, contact turbulence, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24, 6 Charlie Echo.
Don't worry about the manifold pressure.
Okay.
Just make sure we don't hit the ground. And another left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
Good. Now do the same thing, and you only have the cyclic.
I only have the cyclic.
You only have the cyclic.
Cirrus 6 Alpha Kilo, I'll call your base.
Follow the line. Remember, use that outside reference.
Okay.
This will be a full stop taxi back to Pinnacle for fueling Kilo.
Let me feel right here.
Slow. So you don't have to go aft like that. Just, slow it down.
Oops.
I have controls.
You have control?
So I want you to notice how little I have to change my attitude when I hover taxi. So here's a hover.
Yep.
Early, crew check 103.
Are you looking at the horizon?
Yes.
Look at the ocean. Here's a hover taxi.
Okay.
Takes a second, but we get moving. So now we basically just stay like that. So once we get moving, we're basically back to a hover attitude. Because remember that this was hovering?
Runway 24, quick takeoff.
So this was hovering.
Yep.
So I initially have to start left, and then I can just kind of leave it normal, right?
Alright.
6 Alpha Kilo, you can turn base. You're calling another Cirrus on a mile final. Traffic will cross the runway prior to your arrival. Runway 24.
Clear land for 213.
Let me get back. Alright, you have the cyclic.
I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic. Yeah, really gentle. You're doing a little too much with the cyclic. Nice, a little bit smaller inputs. Good. Slow, slow. There we go. Very nice. Come to a stop.
Check 103, you're going to follow the Cirrus on a 2 mile right base off.
Keep going.
Copy the site, crew check 103.
Check 103, number 3, runway 24, clear touch and go.
Number 3, runway 24, clear touch and go, crew check 103.
667, contact SoCal departure.
667, have a good night.
Sorry. We gotta keep going forward though. We're not at the corner yet. Nice.
Sorry, okay.
I'll make a left pedal turn. So we're a little bit to the inside, right?
Yep.
Good correction.
6 Charlie Echo, where do you park?
North side, 6 Charlie Echo.
Alright, you have all the
November
controls.
2 and
I have all the controls.
You have controls.
He's also going to go to number 2, so just keep going across
Same
the
thing.
whole bars and vacate it so you can get across.
6
Okay,
Charlie
you get a little higher though. I have controls.
You have controls. Is this because of the wind?
It's not making it easy, but I think you're just doing this.
Oh,
not
yeah.
This. You gotta relax your arm a little bit.
Okay.
You know, just remember, nice. Just like look how much I'm moving it,
And our LT will be full stop.
and then this is you.
Okay.
All right. You have the cyclic.
I have the cyclic.
Obviously, you need to be making. Yeah, it's important to be making small inputs. Well, sorry, you have all controls. You have the collective and pedals as well.
Okay.
Left pedal. Good, much better. It's okay, come to a stop. That was quick.
Yeah,
No
it
worries.
was very quick.
It's fine.
6 Alpha Kilo, turn left Alpha 4 if able. Take
Oh, I have
449,
controls.
runway
Oh,
24, clear for you to take
shit.
that.
So,
449 on the...
you're always going to have to put a little cyclic into the wind. So watch, if I'm doing, notice, I want you to feel the cyclic. I'm going to control everything,
Okay.
just feel the cyclic.
Okay.
So right now, you might not be able to tell, but I have left cyclic in. You'll be able to tell, because I'm going to make a left pedal turn. Now I have forward cyclic, now I have right cyclic, now I have aft cyclic,
I'm departing in front of you. Do you have it?
now I have, you know, can you feel that?
Oh yeah.
You can feel the cyclic moving. So if I don't want to move at all, I always have to have a little bit of cyclic into the wind.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Now it's not going to be something that you'll really notice if you're going in a straight line, but when you're making a 90-degree pedal turn, you might notice it. Alright, you have all the controls?
We have all the controls.
Alright. Keep on going.
Ticket 449, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Alright, I want you to make a gentle right pedal turn, really slowly,
Alright, gentle right pedal turn.
and then it's going to and now stop it. You see
Oh
how
my
much it started to, how fast it started to get? You still have the controls.
Okay, I still have the controls.
Sorry.
Sorry.
It's okay. We're gonna get back to the compass,
Alright.
and then we're gonna set down right in the middle. So, I mean, we could set down with a tailwind, I guess. That's okay, as long as you're comfortable with it. That way we get some shade. So let's get right over here. Yeah, just go ahead. Just leave the collective where it is. Lower it. There you go.
Oh.
You keep controlling the helicopter all the way to the ground.
Yep.
Let's get it to 75. Carb heat down. You have a collective friction.
Yep. Friction on.
Good. Now we just wait for a little bit. Now I'm going to turn the governor off. Nice work. Pretty difficult today with the winds.
Yeah, wind is.
Yeah, so do you see when we did that right pedal turn?
Uh-huh.
It started, like, it was really nice, and then it started to get a little faster.
Uh-huh.
Did you see how high the manifold pressure got when we had to stop it with left pedal? It went all the way to like 25,
Oh,
which is fine. I mean, it's not your fault.
alright.
If we need to use more than 25 inches of manifold pressure in order to stop LTE from happening, we need to use 25 inches of manifold pressure.
Okay.
But I mean, imagine if you were at a high altitude, you wouldn't have 25 inches of manifold pressure to use.
Alright.
So that's why we like left pedal turns instead of right. Because if you're doing a left pedal turn, it means that, how do you stop a left pedal turn? You put right pedal in. Does right pedal increase the amount of power you use or decrease it?
The right pedal turn,
Yeah, does it decrease power or increase?
it increase,
It decreases it.
decreases.
Yeah, because
Right pedal.
what the right pedal does is it decreases the amount of pitch, thrust coming from your tail rotor.
Oh,
That's why
oh yeah, you
you
mean
lower the collective, you put right pedal in.
yeah, you mean the power from the tail rotor.
Yeah. So
Oh yeah, it decreases.
it decreases the amount of power that you use. So you can, if you can do a left pedal turn, you can stop it by just decreasing the power with the right pedal. But if you're doing a right pedal turn and it starts to get away from you, like you get LTE or something,
Uh-huh.
you're not guaranteed to have enough left pedal to stop the turn. Because
Okay.
left pedal is power. You don't know how much power you have. In that case, you need 25 inches of manifold pressure. Now, in order to prevent yourself from getting in a situation like that, honestly, in practice, being really, really quick with putting in that left pedal. Like, I don't want to let it, like, if I'm doing a right pedal turn with winds like this, I'm going to make sure we're really nice and slow. And if I start to get even a little bit faster, I'm putting in left pedal.
Okay.
Number 8174 Zulu, Palomar Tower, make right traffic, runway 24.
Just wait for a little, like, wait for another
8174 Zulu.
10 seconds, 15 seconds.
24, clear touch and go.
Everything warmed up.
Runway 24, clear production. Touch and go, clear touch 103.
All right.
Well,
This is good. Cyclic off first. You have collective.
okay, collective friction off.
Then we get it to 80.
Raise the collective
No.
or the throttle?
Wait, just throttle. That's fine. Alright. Gently raise the collective.
Yep.
Palomar Tower, helicopter 301 Romeo, whiskey at Civic for Civic East departure with Papa.
200 Whiskey, Palomar Tower, approved, caution, helipad not safe, quick takeoff.
Well,
Take off.
you're just putting your feet on the pedals now. So we're gonna get some movement. Let's see where it's gonna make us go.
Okay.
Alright, so a little bit of left, a little lap, a little left pedal.
Yep.
A little left pedal, more left pedal. It's fine. A little aft. We're skidding around a little bit too much. Let's turn into the wind. Left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
A little too fast. Make it smoother than that. Alright, now I want you to set down this way. So, yeah, right here. Yeah, just lower the collective a tiny bit.
Yep.
Right here. Just leave it there. Let ground effect cushion the landing.
Okay.
That was not a hard landing. That was fine. Now we're going to pick up.
Pick up.
Yep.
Okay. Slowly.
Ooh, see the tachometers?
Yep, I see it.
Too fast. So in the beginning you need to go slow, but gonna get some movement. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Stop. You don't want to raise the collective until you're not moving anymore.
Oh yeah.
We're moving. A little left. A little left pedal. A little left. Now we're up. Good.
Oh, oops. Sorry.
Okay.
Palomar Tower, November 6745, Papa holding short, 24 and Alpha 1, requesting the 24.
Let's go back to the rectangle.
Going departure.
Okay.
2745 Papa, Palomar Tower, Alpha North departure approved, runway 24, quick takeoff.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff. November 6745, Papa.
After 1 Romeo Whiskey, frequency change approved.
1 Romeo, whiskey switching.
74 Zulu, runway 24, clear line.
Good line, runway 24, 8174 Zulu. Tower loaded, 58, visual 24.
Check at 558 Palomar Tower, number 2, you're calling us Centurion on right downwind. I can call my museum.
Alright. We'll do a little right pedal turn right here.
Yeah, right pedal turn.
Alright, cool. Roger, you can plan for...
See how fast it was going?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Nice and gentle. Relax. Good. Do you play any musical instruments?
Tower 925 here, Sirius, 4-star Oceanside, Pier, Papa.
Like, I don't know, piano, guitar, violin.
Traffic, runway 2.
Like, do you play any musical instruments?
Okay.
Do you?
3015,
You can keep going.
Short, ready for departure, request Alpha 4.
2015, Palomar Tower, Roger, stand by, landing traffic.
Gotta pull that collective. I'm doing a lot of the work right now.
Your discretion, the Centurion you're calling is close in, there'll be no factor. Runway 24, cleared to land, traffic will depart prior to
Pull the collective.
Base our discretion, 24, clear to landing, then jet 550.
Pull. We need to be higher. Left pedal, turn. Keep going.
Yep. Oh, sorry.
I have controls.
You have controls.
You have controls.
I have control.
If you need to use all left pedal you have,
Check 103,
use all left pedal you have.
Return about 3 mile base.
Extending down line, we'll follow citation and look at the traffic, clear check 103.
10-4 Zulu, where do you park?
North.
I just turn right to number 2, good day.
Left pedal, turn.
For 015, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, 015.
Oh, this would be such a good day for autos.
Oh.
Look at that, that's straight down the pipe. That windsock,
Yep, I see.
straight down the runway.
And traffic tonight for clear check 103.
Clear check 103, follow citation, runway 24, clear touch go.
Follow citation.
Alright, I have controls.
You have controls.
I have an exercise for us to do.
Take the 558 off your right, extend your right down to the test, gonna follow you, they do have good insight.
So I'm just gonna go faster. Just, I don't want you to hover taxi this fast. I want you to hover taxi like this fast.
815 Tower, Roger, make right traffic,
Yeah.
24, clear for takeoff.
That's because we're going a pretty far distance. So I'm gonna save some time and I'm gonna go a little faster than you would.
Okay.
Oh yeah, they don't want us down here.
Whoops.
Okay, so what we're gonna do
Yep.
is we're gonna get it really high first. So we're gonna get a little faster
Yeah.
with the headwind. Then we're gonna get high, let ETL push us up,
Uh-huh.
and then we're gonna get low again. And low and slow. And we're gonna get slow again. And we're gonna come to a stop. Then we're gonna get a little faster again. We're gonna let ETL lift the nose up.
Yep.
Just like this.
Oh.
And then we're gonna come down. And we're gonna stop. Alright? Now we're only gonna do that with the headwind though, so you have controls.
I have control.
Left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
We're gonna set it up again.
Alright.
500, number 3, following up Cessna, turning a 3 mile final.
Stay right over the yellow line.
Number 3, following, look for traffic. 500.
500 has the traffic in sight, number 3, full stop.
500, follow up Cessna, runway 24, clear to land.
Good land, number 3, 500.
Palomar Tower, Skyhawk 435 Charlie Alpha, just 1 mile off of the coast of Carlsbad at 1500. Can I get a transition to the south?
45 Alpha, Palomar Tower, approved, altimeter 29er, 9er 5.
29er, 9er 5, 5 Charlie Alpha.
Alright, you can come back, come down to us. Let's get to a stop. Nice,
Stop.
nice and slow.
Nice and slowly.
Cool. Turn around.
Left turn.
Watch out.
658, where you park?
Roger, landing 558.
Roger, Charlie Alpha 5, taxi there via Alpha, monitor ground.
Alright.
Alpha 5, Alpha, Atlantic, monitor ground, a good jet 558.
Just be
Number
patient.
01,
Please, like, keep going.
About 5 feet lower.
And you don't need to go aft with it. And now we can keep going forward.
5 Charlie Alpha, traffic
down.
11 o'clock,
Okay.
10 mile, not really traffic though, it's just a set, so we'll be going over the top of you.
Come to a stop, like a hover.
Alright.
Stop.
Looking at 5 Charlie
Stop.
Alpha.
Stop
Just
moving.
815, number 3, follow a sports star, turning right.
And do it again.
Traffic is at 891.
Be gentle with it.
Runway 24, code
Okay,
option number 3.
Yeah. We
And
leave
you're up.
that attitude where it is. Good. And now we can come down again. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. And then now come to a stop. Basically, we're going to have a nice smooth angle.
17 uniform 0, tell my target, rate traffic, runway 24.
Let's set down right over here.
Sit down over here?
Yep, right here.
Okay.
You can let ground effect cushion for you. I don't want you to be raising collective right before you're touching the ground. If you're 6 inches above the ground, you're fine.
Okay.
Now pick up nice and slowly.
Nice and slowly.
Good. See how those tachometers didn't move? You're going to leave left pedal in a second anyway.
Alright.
Little left pedal, left cyclic, left cyclic.
Left cyclic, left cyclic.
Palomar Tower, this is 7902 and 2 is 10 miles out, just northeast of Lake Hodges, inbound for a full stop with Papa.
First 7922, Palomar Tower, make a straight in, runway 24.
Alright, let's get to the compass rose.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll land with we'll set down with a tailwind.
Set down with the tailwind.
Yep, so left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
That way we don't have the sun interface. Set down. Yeah, right here. So it's okay if we have a little bit, there we go. That's a good set down.
Okay.
How did that feel? Much nicer? Throttle, collective friction on first, then cyclic friction, governor, carb heat down and locked,
Governor off.
Governor on.
7 uniform Sierra, number 3, you're looking for a Cessna on a 1.5 mile funnel.
Now we just wait.
3 for 917.
You can smell the exhaust right now.
Yeah.
Because we have a tailwind. The exhaust is getting blown right into our cabin.
Palomar Tower, Skyhawk 435 Charlie Alpha. Can I
Good
get
work.
a frequency change?
Thank you.
We're gonna, you're gonna go,
You have a good day too.
once we pick up, we're gonna do some pattern work.
Pattern.
So we're gonna do the Civic pattern.
Alright. I think the wind was too hard, so
Your upbringing was not bad. It was fine. Could have been better, could have been worse, but the wind is very tricky. It's fine when you have a headwind.
500, turn left, taxi
yeah,
to
finding the
parking
direction of the wind.
So when we're doing landings to the Civic pattern, which direction are we facing?
50, good day. 7 uniform 0, turn base.
What direction? Because we're gonna be coming this way, right? Are we perfectly in line with the runway or no?
Line with the runway?
Are we parallel with the runway when we're coming in for the Civic pattern? Or are we a little bit at an angle?
A little bit out of angle?
Yeah, we're coming from like kind of that way, right? Which means that when we're coming in this way, which way is the wind gonna be hitting us?
Wind from the over there.
It won't be a tailwind. It'll be a left quartering headwind, which could lead to LTE.
Well, in the pattern? Or in the taxiway?
The pattern.
A pattern.
The Civic pattern.
Yeah, gotta be the...
We'll have a left quartering headwind, right?
Yeah.
So, when we're close to the bottom of our approach, once we start to lose ETL, we should put a little bit of left pedal in so we face the headwind. So we're going to come in a little bit sideways.
212,
Right.
Diamond Star on a mile and a half right
And
base.
the idea behind that, and then when you lose ETL,
Check 103.
what are you going to need to be doing with the collective?
South of a 4.5 mile funnel.
Collective.
What will you be doing with the collective when you lose ETL?
If I lose ETL, gotta
You're going to need a lot more collective, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to need to pull more, which means you have to put more left pedal. So if you pull more collective and you forget to put left pedal, we're going to yaw to the right, and we're going to get LTE.
Yeah.
Which is why when we're in the Civic pattern, especially with winds like this today, when you make sure that you're almost leading with the left pedal. So almost do the left pedal before pulling collective at the very end of the approach.
Okay.
All right, this is nice and cool. Unlocked. Governor on.
on.
Cyclic friction off.
And collective friction off.
Good. And we'll get it to 80.
Palomar Tower, this is Cessna 9285 Hotel. Holding short air runway 24 Alpha 1. Requesting Alpha North
For the
departure.
80s.
9285 Hotel, Palomar Tower, roger. Stand by, landing traffic.
Standing by, Cessna 9285 Hotel.
Clear track 103, 1 o'clock and 2 miles, joining a 3
We'll
mile
just
tunnel.
wait for a second.
1,400.
We're looking for that traffic, clear track 103.
Oh, you can pick up into a hover. Nice and gently. Do you know what call we're going to be making to Palomar Tower?
The color?
Do you know what call we will make to Palomar Tower?
34,900.
Yeah, first one is the Palomar Tower and the helicopter November 74810.
Where are we?
And traffic is like clear track.
And west end of Civic Alpha.
What do we want?
Runway 24, clear touch and go.
Entering the Civic pattern.
Request the Civic pattern.
Request the Civic pattern.
Yeah, that's it.
Tower, Cessna
Okay.
46 Delta, holding short of 24 November 1. Ready for right downwind
Let's pick up.
46 Delta, Palomar Tower, roger, number 2. Uniform Sierra, turn left when able, safe parking.
We're getting back to 18 for Palomar 7 Uniform Sierra.
You want to taxi back for takeoff?
Yes, 7 Uniform Sierra.
Uniform Sierra, roger. Turn right at November 3, runway 24, taxi via November on this frequency.
With you, November 3, 7 Uniform Sierra. Right.
This A5 Hotel, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff, 938 Hotel.
This A15, extend downwind number 3, follow Cessna, 3 mile right base.
Extend downwind number 3, 89815, what's the traffic? Palomar Tower, Cessna 950, Charlie with a clearance, and like transition southbound, 500 for Papa.
San Jose, Charlie, Palomar Tower, transition approved on the shoreline, altimeter 29994.
299,
Let's go to the
Palomar Tower,
taxiway.
Cherokee 4360 Foxtrot 24, holding short Alpha 1, requesting close traffic.
I have controls.
76 Foxtrot Tower, roger, number 2.
Alright, do you remember what the call is going to be?
Palomar Tower, helicopter November 74810.
Right down
West end of Taxi Alpha.
Clear for immediate
Recast
takeoff,
Civic
24,
pattern.
right downwind 200 Delta.
The
Civic
A15,
pattern.
traffic is 2 o'clock, get a mile, go past about 1,000 on a 2 mile funnel.
Traffic and Civic following 89815.
Roll tide number 3, clear touch and go.
Alright. When they're not talking to anyone, I want you to say something.
What?
You can say it.
B.
Go ahead and say it.
Right now? It is
Yep.
Palomar Tower, helicopter November 74810 at west end of Taxi Alpha. Request Civic pattern.
Perfect.
210, you want to go to Civic?
Say affirmative.
What?
Affirmative.
Affirmative.
Copter 810, roger. Traffic departing runway 24. Off your right, behind you is a Cessna. Use caution. Taxiway Alpha, clear for takeoff. Make left traffic. The helipad is on site. Clear to land.
Clear for takeoff west end of Alpha, clear to land, Civic parking, and we will be entering left closed traffic.
That's Civic, though, right?
Affirmative. Thank you.
29 Delta, make an early right turn out.
Early right turn, 29 Delta.
Alright. Alright, stay
90 Sierra, maintain at or above
stay
2,000
left of
for
the
traffic.
power lines.
At or above 1,000, managers there.
We're gonna get to 700
Number
feet.
85 Hotel, maintain at or below 1,500.
Right pedal.
And
Try to
at
get
or
60
above
knots.
1,000.
Right pedal. Right pedal.
We will.
Right pedal.
At or above
Right pedal.
1,000 and below 1,000.
So we want to go this way, but
Yep.
we need to be in trim. So we need to be like that.
Okay. Because
you
of the wind?
You want 2 and 2 to go over the ground?
Correct.
2 and 2, you can catch that ground if you would like, yes.
We're almost at 700. Get a little more airspeed.
Yep.
Just hold it right there.
Palomar Tower, Skyhawk 734, Tango Sierra, holding short of 24 for closed traffic.
Then you see this road?
Yep.
This is our downwind.
Roger, number 2.
Yeah, follow that road. We're a little bit too slow. Let's try to get a little faster.
Factory 10, Civic pad cleared option.
So you say Civic pad clear to the option, 810. Civic pad cleared for the option, 810. So they called us.
Yep.
And then they cleared us for the option. We need to make sure we say it back to them. Stay over this road. Stay over the road.
Yep.
And we are on an angle, so let's lower the collective.
85 Hotel, cancel altitude restriction,
Right
frequency
pedal.
change approved.
Nice, very good. Let's get a nice decel, so this is actually pretty good. So you can actually kind of see the angle now. You'll really see it once we turn over the building.
Altitude restriction.
Alright, so you can go ahead and turn over the building. So we're 300 feet, very nice.
0 Charlie, frequency change approved.
Alright, so this is a nice steep approach angle.
Yeah.
So how do we control our angle? Collective.
Collective.
Yeah, so we hold the attitude because this is how fast we want to be going. Maybe we're going a little bit too fast, so how do we fix that? Just a little bit outside.
Sierra, there will be 2 departures prior to your arrival, runway 24, clear to land.
This is really nice.
Runway 24, clear to land.
Don't let our nose come down. Hold it there. You need to start pulling collective in though, right? Because we're getting slower, which means we're getting less efficient. We're about to lose ETL, so put left pedal to the wind, left pedal, left pedal, left pedal. You're gonna push through ETL. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Keep pulling collective, keep pulling collective. Left pedal, left pedal. Really nice. Excellent. There we go. That was a good pattern.
Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna get on the go. So left pedal turn. So remember how we did that exercise down there where we got a little bit faster and then we just let ETL pick us up?
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do here too.
All right.
So we're just gonna get fast.
Get fast.
Just hold it. Just leave it there. And no, there's ETL. Don't go over those trees. I have controls. Why are you going straight for those trees?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. We want to
November
not do that.
60 Foxtrot.
You have controls.
I have controls.
Quick takeoff.
Alright, traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
These kids are going to kill me.
Runway 24 taxi via
Alright,
November.
keep following the road.
24 via November 8.
Keep climbing. There you go. We're staying in the Civic pattern, so we follow this road.
Yep.
There should be an alleyway up here.
Yeah.
We still want to climb, so a little bit more collective. We want to get to 700 feet, and there's an alley right here. You see these tall trees? That's where we want to turn over, left turn.
Clear Jack 103, you're following a Cherokee 2 miles ahead on downwind about to turn base.
And we could level out. Well, no, we don't want to level out. Right pedal.
Runway 24, number 2, clear, touch and go.
Runway 24, clear, touch and go, clear, touch and go.
And then we turn over this road.
Tango Sierra, follow departing Cherokee, right close traffic, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 24, right traffic, 4 Tango Sierra. Palomar Tower, Cessna 587 Sierra Papa, holding short Alpha 1, runway 24, request left downwind departure.
587 Sierra Papa, Palomar Tower, roger.
And this jet
Capri
intersection.
10, Cox pad outside, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 810. So they cleared us again. So we gotta listen for your tail number.
Sierra Papa, you take immediate.
All right.
So they said helicopter 810, clear for the option.
Sierra Papa, clear for immediate.
So how's our angle? We're on a steep approach angle right now. We don't want to accelerate. We're on base, right? So let's lower that collective. Right pedal for lowering. Just kind of try to hold this. Let's see what this brings us.
Okay.
It's going to accommodate, we'd like to circle to the south.
Alright, now we turn.
Continue approach, circle as requested.
4 Tango Echo.
Good. Try to hold your attitude. Little left pedal. So this is a really good speed. So hold that attitude. This is feeling really nice. How's the angle feeling? It's a little bit steep, right?
A little bit steep.
Yeah, fix it.
917 uniform.
Lower collective. We fix it with our collective, not our cycle.
Yeah.
So we lower the collective,
Rider, stand by. Land new code.
and now it's fine, right?
Yep.
Left pedal, we're about to lose ETL.
4 Tango Sierra, you turn early right crossing.
Right crossing, 4 Tango Sierra.
60 Foxtrot, extend downwind on
Okay.
base. He's going to be touching me.
ETL is going to make us slow down. Raise collective, raise collective, raise collective. See how much you have to raise at the very end?
Just go to the taxi back.
Because when you think about when we're doing the approach, we're going at like, what, 15, 14 inches of manifold pressure?
Yep.
At some time, we're going to need 22 inches eventually. So, and most of that's going to come at the very end.
Okay.
0 Sierra, turn left, contact ground plenty.
Left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
And, okay, I'm going to show you how we set up these takeoffs, by the way. So, it's nice, when we can, we want to kind of get to this corner back here.
Yep.
That way we have more room. And you see the dashed yellow line? I want you to follow the dashed yellow line.
Dash the yellow line.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just hold this right this. And we're gonna keep pushing. There you go. Now there's ETL.
14 goes here. Keep
Little
on
right pedal.
On downwind. I'm gonna send them a little bit.
Make sure your tail's clear. Tail's good on this side.
Yep.
You see that tree right next to the hangar? We're gonna go right over that.
Yep.
Perfect. So now we're over the hangar, we can get some speed. We can get fresh wind instead of that turbulent air. Follow this road. Yep, follow the road.
After 810, the 12 to 1 o'clock Cessna turning downwind will be a left downwind departure. There should be no taxi.
I have aircraft in sight. 810, thank you.
Remember 7 to your pop of the helicopter low to your left off the Civic pattern. Be staying in the Civic pattern low.
So we need a little right pedal, right?
Number 60 Foxtrot, turn base, trip with our priority arrival.
Turn right here.
Clear touching up.
Turning base, clear to land, or clear touching go, 60 Foxtrot.
14 goes here, runway 24, clear touching go, number 2.
Good. Yeah, get our airspeed. Good.
November 7 uniform Sierra, runway 24,
Turn
clear.
right here. This is the road we turn over, right here.
Close here.
Chopper 810, caution all pad, not in sight, cleared to land, and then report a Cessna. It'll be on the VOR approach coming over the airport southbound. That's how you know which one it is in sight.
Cleared to land 810, and we'll report the Cessna go on the approach 810. I don't know what he's
Tower Cessna 950, Charlie over San Leandro,
Right.
giving inbound with Papa.
Here we go.
Charlie Tower, turn making left traffic, runway 24.
Start slowing down nice and gently, so let's just kind of hold our, yeah, right there, just like that.
Okay.
Little right pedal. It's okay if we start to descend. We're pretty much on our steep approach angle. So when you lower the collective, try not to drop your nose. Okay, so you're dropping the nose right now, which is why it feels like we're going pretty fast. Yeah, there you go. Just hold this. Make this left turn.
815, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Super, clear for takeoff, 89815.
How does this feel? It's a little shallow, a little fast, right?
Yeah.
So let's just leave the collective where it is. Yeah, there you go. This is going to feel a lot better. Now it's steep, right? So let's lower that collective.
Yeah, it's close.
7 uniform Sierra, that's
We're
after
steep,
12 o'clock.
a little
Use in the
fast.
right closed pattern. Just make sure you keep your turn outside of them.
We'll be straight outside for now.
We're about to lose ETL. Left pedal. Left pedal. Keep going forward. Okay. Keep going forward. We're about to lose ETL, so we got to keep raising that collective. Keep putting in the pedal.
14 goes midfield down. We'll be on left traffic down. 14 go echo number 3. Follow Cessna.
I have controls. You have control.
Number 3, we're looking to, okay, got the traffic in sight. Visit the Cherokee and the Cessna, just make sure you're following the Cessna. Number 3, clear to land, 14 Wickham. We got it both, and I got the Cessna. 14 Wickham. 7 uniform Sierra, you turn crosswind.
We got to wait for someone.
Track 103, you'll be following a Cessna extending the left downwind, extend right downwind.
Extending right downwind, clear track 103.
Number 7 uniform Sierra, contact SoCal departure.
Contact SoCal departure for 917 uniform Sierra.
Recovery 10, disregard report, caution pad is not in sight, clear for takeoff, left close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, left close traffic, helicopter 810, thank you. You want to do this pickup? Do you have controls?
I have control.
We're about to get light on the skids.
Yep.
Tower 89815, that plane ahead of us in right close traffic. U-15, that aircraft is climbing on a right downwind departure. They're through 2000 now, so you don't need to worry about them. All right, we won't worry about main 985, thank you.
What the fuck did he just... I did not understand a word he said.
Your track 103, your set to follow is 2 to 3 o'clock, not the one on final, but the one on left base at 1000 over Bresci.
I have traffic in sight, Clear check 103.
Alright,
103, roger. Runway 24, number 3, clear touching up.
left pedal turn.
Number 2, runway 24.
So you always want to clear your turn. So if you're going to make a left pedal turn, here's what I want you to start doing. I have controls for a second. So look where I'm looking at. Look at my face.
Okay.
I'm going to make left pedal turn. So I'm going to say clear to right. I'm watching to make sure that there's nothing over there.
Okay.
I have enough room. So I want you to like clear your tail.
Okay, clearing the tail.
Yeah, so if I'm making a right pedal turn, I say clear left.
Okay.
Do you have controls?
I have control.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Follow the yellow line. Just let ETL lift us up. Just let it, little right pedal so we can face the wind. Nice, now we're getting somewhere. Push forward a little bit. Just gently, nice and gentle. Just right over this. Leave the collective where it is. Follow this road. Let's get a 60 knot attitude. So right around there. Yeah, just hold that. See how fast that gets us.
Copy 810, traffic a mile and a half south, joining the west downwind is our Cessna 1500.
Looking for traffic, 810, requesting a full stop to the helipad.
810, caution helipad not safe, clear to land.
Clear to land, 810, thank you.
0 on the Charlie, you turn down, there's going to be a helicopter 500 feet beneath you for the Civic pattern, there are no factors though.
Okay, thank you.
0 Alpha Charlie, additionally you can look for a Cessna on a mile final, and that's one for you to follow.
Looking for that traffic. 0 Alpha Charlie.
815, extend downwind number 3, I will call your base, the traffic you're looking for is off your right on the other downwind extending under Cessna.
So the last time, the reason why it was difficult for the approach was that we were going too fast, right? Because we didn't really decel, we actually accelerated on the base leg instead of getting slower. So we're at 45 right now, so we don't really need to get slower than 45, but we don't really need to get faster. So let's just, try to find something that's nice and stable. Let's dig in trim, a little bit of right pedal. So your nose dropped, didn't it? So this is what we want. We're on our angle, so we do get faster. So this is the attitude that we want.
018 Golf is ready to take up.
Make that turn.
Tower, roger. Do you have a flight following?
Good. Yeah, don't drop your nose. Don't drop your nose.
Yeah, we're headed for John Wayne.
I'm waiting, roger.
How does this feel? A little fast, right?
Yeah.
And a little bit steep. Lower that collective. Really lower. You want to be aggressive with it right here. Because we have speed. So if we have speed, we can do whatever we want with that collective. This is much better. Doesn't this feel a lot better? Now, if we were too shy, if we were gentle back there, then we would still be fixing it. So you don't get too shallow. Start left pedal. Left pedal.
Number 3, clear touch and go, 60 Foxtrot.
Good. So we're about to lose ETL, so start pulling collective and putting in left pedal. Left pedal. Left pedal.
Cherokee 4 Tango Sierra.
Really nice. Very good.
Turn left, Alpha 1, contact ground, clear check 103.
Controls.
You have control.
18 Golf.
Good.
Runway 24.
You can relax.
Tell them return inside 0 Alpha Charlie, we're clear for 24. Clear for runway 24, next on 0 Alpha Charlie.
Palomar Tower, clear track 162, holding short runway 24 Alpha 1 for close traffic.
Clear track 162, Palomar Tower, roger, stand by.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 734 Tango Echo, holding short 24, left downwind departure.
Tango Echo, roger, number 2.
Good work.
Today was not go well.
You don't think it went well?
Yeah, that went well.
I thought
that
it was fine.
intended.
I think you're really tense with the cyclic on windy days like today. I think you just overall your body is tense. Do you feel tired? You probably feel
A little
tired because you're flexing everything.
Yeah,
You're tense.
it was like the wind
Yeah.
was very strong. So
Do you know do you know how to play any musical instruments?
yeah, a
Which
little
one?
bit. Like guitar or
So when you play guitar, if you want to play really fast, do you like try to tense everything up? And no, you want to be you do it slowly and you're really nice and relaxed, and then you can play way faster when you're relaxed, right? Do you play? Yeah, you're way more accurate, you know. So so just like this is just like that, you know. We want to get you to a point where you're relaxed, everything's moving nice and gently, you know, and you'll find that when you're relaxed, you're quicker.
okay.
You know? Just like guitar. Do you play mostly acoustic or electric? Close the throttle. Clutch.
Disengaged.
Do you do acoustic or electric?
What?
Electric guitar or acoustic guitar?
Acoustic guitar.
Very nice. Like classical?
Yep.
Very nice. Nylon string?
What?
Is it nylon string or is it like a steel string?
Steel string.
All 6 strings or just the
Only
bottom?
the 4.
The top, yeah, then the last 2 are nylon?
Top 4 are nylon. And
Or the top 3 are nylon?
Yeah, top 4 was iron spring.
Steel.
Yeah, steel.
Yeah. And then there's nylon.
I used to practice a lot to electric just all the practice for the electrical guitar, but
I have a couple electric guitars.
oh,
7 strings.
that's nice.
Yeah. They're nice.
Do you play it very well?
I mean, not super well, but I'm pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I like metal music. I read a lot of metal music.
Me too. I love listening to music
Nice.
like metal.
Oh, hell yeah. What bands? What artists?
Like a Green Day.
They're not metal. That's pop punk right there. I thought you were gonna say like Meshuggah or something.
It means a lot.
Yeah, so